There's breaking news just coming in. Maharashtra government planning to shut off flights from Mumbai to Delhi. Train services could be shut soon between Delhi and Mumbai. The order is going to be out very soon. This is a big breaking development coming in the light of increasing number of COVID cases in Delhi and in Mumbai. Maharashtra government planning to shut off flights from Mumbai to Delhi. Train services could be shut soon between Delhi and Mumbai as well. And orders perhaps could be out anytime soon. We're awaiting formal confirmation on this. But the rise in the number of coronavirus cases both in the financial capital and the national capital, as both the capitals are fighting the COVID crisis on a war footing with increasing number of active cases, perhaps has led to this particular decision. Maharashtra government's official statement not out as yet, but what we're picking up is that they plan to shut off flights from Mumbai to Delhi, and train services between Delhi and Mumbai could be shut soon as well. The order is not out as yet, but soon we can expect this particular order with a timeline as to when this comes into effect. That's a big breaking news coming in. Kamlesh is now joining us. Kamlesh, what is the sense that we're picking up? This is a huge development coming in. When does this order formally come out, and from when are you picking up from your sources is this order going to be effective? This is a big development coming in because, you know, flights that connect the national capital and financial capital are going to be impacted. People need to know when this is going to be effective from.
Well, Chethi, the decision is expected anytime soon. The formal orders have not been issued as yet, but this is expected very soon. The state government, given the fact that the number of cases are rising in Delhi, this decision will be taken in that regard, and trains that commute between Delhi and Mumbai are likely to be stopped. This is a precautionary step that the state government is planning to take at this point in time. We have seen in the wake of a second wave possibly in Mumbai, there was also a statement that was issued by the state government 2 weeks ago saying that people have to be careful about the second wave in Maharashtra, especially after the festive season. In Maharashtra, we've seen how after the festive season of Ganpati...
Just one clarification, Kamlesh, you know, you're talking about the pandemic. Of course, the cases are rising, but timeline as to what are you picking up from your sources? When is this order going to be issued, and from when is the shutting off of flights between Bombay and Delhi going to be effective?
Well, there's no timeline that has been specified at this time, but it is just a thought that the state government has put in, given the fact that the number of cases are rising. The decision is expected, official communication in this regard is expected anytime soon. This is a precautionary measure. As I said, the state government will be coming out with an official order anytime soon, and the decision regarding trains and flights will be taken at the same time.
But is there going to be any kind of turnaround time that is going to be given for the people who are in either of the two cities wanting to go back to the other?
The standard operating procedure and the entire procedure that will be required, that will be taken by the state government. However, this will be only clarified once the decision comes, once the state officially comes out with a communication in this regard.
That's right. So this is a big development that is coming in. And what about the train services? They are mulling about shutting off the train services as well. That means that the only way to commute between the two cities then remains to be the road. In case that too perhaps would have to come with permission then.
Well, indeed, that again would lead to several problems. That is what is being worked out, and that is why we can say that there is such a delay or in the official communication that is coming in from state government. But once that is finalized, the state government would come out with the entire procedure on how then we would be looking at possible ways of commuting between the two cities when trains and flights would be shut. Then what would be the means of communication? We've seen during lockdown how the state government has issued passes, e-passes for travel between in the state and outside the state. But once they decide to shut services of train and flights between the two cities, then what will be the standard operating procedure that would also perhaps be mentioned in the order that officially comes out.
And the repercussions also that would follow economically, because flights and trains connecting the financial capital to the national capital, Kamlesh, have economic repercussions as well. That is something that we still have to know how they are planning. What is it exactly? What are the exceptions going to be? Or perhaps, Kamlesh, is this a blanket ban for everybody?
Well, indeed, when flights and train services would be stopped in case that decision is taken, then whether it would be a blanket ban or whether it would be allowed in emergency situation, all this would be part of that official communication that we are expecting anytime soon, maybe today or in a day or two.
Any indication from the state government as to they will be giving any kind of turnaround time for the commuters as well who want to be in the other city?
Well, no, as I said, the state government is working on all the probabilities. All permutation combination would be decided, because this should also not affect, as you rightly mentioned, these are two important cities, the financial capital and the national capital. So in case there are any emergency travels or any emergency work that requires commuting between the two cities, what would be the standard operating procedure? What would be the norms that would be decided? That would be part of that communication once it decides. We've seen how during that unlock period, the state government had come up with several guidelines. These guidelines will be part of that official communication that the state government is likely to come out. But this is what the state government is thinking at this point, considering the fact that there is a spike in the cases in Delhi and a possibility of second wave in Mumbai.
Obviously, so the state government is acting on the fact that Delhi, the third wave is intensifying, and perhaps they do not want incoming commuters coming in from Delhi into Mumbai. Kamlesh? Let's re-establish that connection to Kamlesh, but Kamlesh is breaking a very big story on the Maharashtra government planning to shut off flights from Mumbai to Delhi, and train services too could be shut between Delhi and Mumbai. This is, of course, given the fact that the coronavirus cases are rising, not just in Mumbai, but in Delhi as well. Delhi is fighting a third wave of the COVID crisis. This order, I just want to put it on record, is not out as yet. This is no formal order. We are breaking this information. It's a source-based information that Kamlesh Sutar is bringing to you. If there is a formal order, we will update our viewers as and when it comes. For now, this is source-based information coming in. The government is planning to do this, but the orders could perhaps just be out very soon.